Mr. Jeep. Nah, I just fucking with you. Man, 93 feet hands on. Make sure y'all log in, man. Yonk. 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 Yonk to the yonk, to the yonk, yonk, yonk.
Yonk. Yonk to the yonk, to the yonk, to the yonk.
Hey man, say man. Hey man, it's a brand new day, man. Boy Kevin, he done kidnapped me, man. Him and old your boy right here, man. He the one got the gun, man. Be careful. But nah, man. Long story short, y'all see that C10 back there. We finna go get it right, the right way. Y'all know whoever did that drop on the truck, they did it the complete wrong way. So we headed to Pasadena. If you're from Houston, you know where we at right now. Yes, so we finna go to Chucky. What his name? Chucky, right? Chucky Drops. Chucky Drops. Y'all gonna see when we get there. Stay tuned. Y'all niggas made it, man. I'm gonna drop this thing off of here. It's your boy Chewy Drops, man, up here in Pasadena. Hard, man. Raps already down? Yeah, they are. They lined up? Yeah. There you go. Something like that, what you think, bro? Yeah, they hard. So he can lift this up too, huh? Yep. Full drop truck. 24 or something, man. Bikes out. I gotta show y'all this old school truck, but they done with the truck. We just went handling some more business real quick. But look at this old school right here, man. I don't know what the name of it is. It say 3100 on it. But y'all gotta check that out one good time. Interior nice and wood bed. Boy, this truck's sexy, bro. But look, besides the point, I wanted to show y'all what they had to do to this rear end real quick. But they put the real flip kit. Y'all see that how it's in there like that, man. Now the rear end is actually straight. So I'm gonna give y'all a better glimpse when we pull up. We're finna load this truck up real quick and get back to our side. We gotta go back to Kevin's house because we had a big problem with the power steering pump, gang. Yeah, we had a big problem with the power steering pump, gang, so yeah, man, we gotta go iron it out. Yeah, we way farther than last time. Yeah, they painted that motherfucking everything. They powder coated them hoes black. I almost thought they gave us different parts. I was like, whoa, wait a minute. Oh, wait, nah, they did that. Yeah, so they looked out for us up here at the truck spot. Y'all come holler at your boy right here in Pasadena. See the number up there on the building, gang. Y'all wanna get y'all truck dropped the right way. Y'all it ain't gonna straggle with you. And it was less than 3 hours this truck was up here. So yeah. Yup. Turbo Fox body. Kevin says it 6.0 in it. Yep, y'all gonna see. I'm gonna get back to the spot. What's next? Alright gang, here we is again, the 5th time on this power steering pump. But we had a leak. Although we put new hoses everywhere on this thing, new gearbox. Your boy still on it behind me. Yeah, but I don't know what you've been teaching him. But I'm a boy, Damon! Right now, y'all, we putting thread lock on this nut. It's finna go on the back of this power steering. This ain't thread locker, this thread sealing. I done messed that all up. I'm gonna start over. Just like that, gang. So it's a hole right here in the back of this power steering pump, y'all. That's why this nigga drive the way it's looking, and that's why this booger been leaking the way it's been leaking. No more leaks, that easy, ain't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, for real, so finna put this thing back up. Y'all seen on last video me putting it on, so I ain't finna record that again, but y'all will know when this thing is done. The last piece of the puzzle, you wanna go take pictures for you with this? With this truck? Yeah. Shit, nigga, you talking about just the truck by itself?
Nah, you, boo.
Shit, not like this. I had to put me on a unit or something, boy. I had to give me a little lime green shirt or something.
Oh, man.
You talking about taking answers. Let me see.
I just need my SSG guys, man. That's all I need, Corey. My SSG, boy. It's so swallow game.
Alright, gang, we just testing this truck out. Do the lights work? Yeah, the lights work. It feels a little better. That transmission fluid. Yeah, man. It's a project truck for shit. Let me see. What you think that is, bro?
Might be the power steering.
The hood pop. Close the hood. That's some weird noises, bro. Pick up. Hell, this is old school. What they expect? 1985 C10. She rolling though. I ain't gonna go too far. I like it though, bro. I ain't gonna cap. I'll flip, man. I'll flip. Just take it easy. It's damn sure ain't no race truck. Put on neutral one time. Stop this bit. Yeah, I want all the smoke, Mr. G. Nah, I just fuck with it. We don't want no smoke. There you go. I know you probably can watch YouTube on my phone, son, but I'm recording vlogs on my phone, my boy. Yeah, all right, that's a bit. So long story short, who that barking? You barking at my baby or you barking at me? Oreo. I think he barking at me or Oreo. But yeah, like I said, man, we had problems with the power steering pump, so we finally just finna go. Who that? Yeah, just the short one, not the long one. So we gotta go ahead and knock out the power steering pump. We're gonna put a new one on because this one is leaking from everywhere, and we're done with it. We thought we fixed it 4 or 5 times, still ain't done. So it is what it is. Y'all just stay tuned. We're gonna go and put a new one on. I'm not gonna vlog that. Y'all gonna see it when I put it on. Alright, gang, we finally made it up here where they do the damn windows at. Can't have too much vocals on this. I'm finna get copyrighted with the music. Alright, gang, so we were having some troubles. Y'all seen us stuck at the light. Damn, Russ done got back into the fuel filter. Guessing it's the rust from the lines. Well, for sure, it gotta be the rust from the lines. Had us all stuck on C10, man. Troubleshooting things and stuff. Truck been getting a lot of more power back, y'all, so we've been trying to just get it right and flipping and dipping out. We've been flipping and dipping in it a little bit just to put that on.
The bugs.
Yeah, gotta knock all the little bugs out, bro, cause it's a bunch of little things, man. And like I say, it's becoming a bit of booger. It look a lot better, kid. I needed you, why would you leave me? Keeping it real every day, it ain't easy. Hey man, stop playing with the game, boy, we outside. For real. Hey man, y'all go get y'all tickets, man, $10, man. We doing the LS swap giveaway, $10 tickets, man. Get you a built LS motor with headers, intake, all that pretty stuff. Wild harness, straight ready to drop in motor. No transmission, straight motor. So if you don't got no Chevy project, or you don't plan on doing no Chevy project, or you don't plan on spending some more money once you do win in this, don't even think about joining. Not for you, sir. Yes, sir. But yeah, y'all stay tuned for that. It's up. It's up. Y'all need a little bit. Yes, sir. Yeah, gang, he getting that window in there. Good, too. That book was right back black. At first, it was kind of glass highs. Yes, sir. On the back of the truck, they know they could have used their shop vac earlier to get that. Yeah, she looking good. Alright, gang, so we done popped off the springs. I mean the shocks, and we finna put new shocks on. Goddamn, man, your boy Jed trying to figure it out right now, right here. You feel me? We got everything under the hood done. Matter of fact, I'm gonna just give y'all a quick little sneak peek. Just to keep this footage rolling. Feel me? Y'all see we got the window fixed, tint back up. Get up under that motor, boy. Huh? Oh, yeah. She looking good up under there. You can't be mad at the exhaust. You can't really do much with the exhaust, but the rest of it, yeah. Back shiny. Window. Now we do got some little imperfections here, but y'all know, man, come on, man, you gotta do what you can do. So you just gotta go through it and peel the rest of this paint off, and it'll be all right. It'll just be back black. Other than that, the truck's gonna be wrapped up. We got a couple more things to do, man, and that's a riggedy